to some blind boxes. Today we got Hacipupu, the Constellation vinyl boxes. I'm super excited for these ones. Okay, so these ones, you guys, are all based on zodiacs, astrology. Okay, so there's Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Leave a comment below which sign you think I am, if you'd like. Okay, the ones that I would like to get, let me show you guys. They're all cute. The ones I would like to get is maybe, I don't know. I'm just gonna wing it, this one, okay? I don't know. We'll see. Let's have it be a complete surprise. And then at the end, if I get the one that is my zodiac, I'll tell you guys. All right, so what did we get? All right, let's see. Okay, I'm excited. I got Leo. I'm a Leo. Oh my God. Okay, I had to just tell you guys, because wow, I can't believe I actually pulled my sign. I had to make sure. Oh, this is super cute. It has the little, I'm like double checking because Cancer, oh no, Cancer has little crab ears. This is definitely the Leo. I'm so excited. I love how he's a little cross-eyed. Why do I find that so cute? I can't. Oh yeah, there it is. Confirmation station. Oh my God. Can you see the true excitement on me? This is the most exciting blind box I've gotten, hands down. Okay? Most exciting one I've gotten. Now this one could be anything because I already have myself. Oh my God. Unreal. All right, guys. Let's see if I get one of you guys' zodiac sign. I mean, it has to be somebody's out there, but let's see if I pull yours. What did I get? Oh, I got the Taurus. Taurus. Wow. What a cute couple. Taurus and Leo. Oh my God, he's a little cross-eyed too. That is so endearing. I freaking love that. And so he's a little bull. The bull and the lion. I couldn't be happier right now. Couldn't be happier. Happier than ever. I love this for me. Comment below if this is either one of you guys' signs. Bye.